Hadian bagi kubor kelas sapriang bau menteri rang ba barem kejela u Dr. Mukul M Sangma unit penyeso ono eladia bagi sengsan pertai kebelatip kum ke Trinamool Congress. Haka arpulai tarik unai lor u Dr. Mukul M Sangma habekran bagi nong partai kubor shimlakran syai lawan let ne let yeso bagi ke sengsan pertai kebelayalam dengan Mamta Banerjee. Habakali babon ke sengsan pertai kala kro yu ban penyeso ono bagi seng jongki. Nakaliang u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulong baka benengkong hiu nilai ban penklan yang keseng kongres kejela ke bau judan boros kata. Ha kebedai bagi jengi per jengmut ke bami ha keseng kongres hadin balapen kamti hau MP ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat uba Vincent H. Pala kubu Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Nakaliang u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulong bo kwa ban batai benia ke jenglong jengman ha keseng henrei anse kran bagi nong yalam bah khmat jong keseng kongres ke badan ha Delhi. Bad ulong baya mentahi dan kanu kanu kejeng temu banit punya so bad kanu kanu keseng balad udan kum gani kejeng temu un sepentip cabaro.
See, I am telling you that there are certain there are certain issues which is required to be resolved within the four walls of the party, and those are the important aspects which require complete clarity within the family. It's a family. So therefore, within the four walls of the party, there would be a sincere attempt from my end to urge upon the leadership to have a collective endeavor to correct things which is required to be corrected. It's as simple as that, but it is also as important as you would like to refer to any other aspect when we think of creating that whole sense of oneness within the party. Okay, to strengthen a political party obviously is a collective endeavor. There you will require people who would be able to occupy their respective spaces, but at the end of the day able to aggregate their strength and their potentialities towards strengthening that political party to which they belong to. So that is how I look at it. So this is nothing that can be something which is considered as surprising or unexpected. Even we will still approach. I think every political party will do the same thing. Because only when the political parties are strong, then are they able to bear the burden of serving the people, serving the state, and more so when they have to bear the burden of the responsibility of governance. We'll be sitting with our colleagues, we'll be sitting with like-minded people if we feel it is needed. But then as of now, I don't think I have felt the need of that. And if I would have felt the need, then you would have known also. So presumptive and assumptive reportings are there. I think that is part and parcel of how the media works. You know it, I know it, I think everyone knows it. So anything that is likely to truly unfold, you will always have sources. You will always probably get the inputs. So nothing can be hidden from all of you.